worried that your kids are going to develop hunchback because their heads are always looking down at screens? Do you sometimes wish that the iPhone and iPad were never even invented, as now you have so many dark things to worry about and don't even know how to get it off of their devices? You know that there are so many better things that you would love to be doing with your kids other than texting them it's time for dinner and to come home from their friends' houses. What if we could bring it back to the one basic thing that has made American families blossom for generations? Dinner and preparing it together. Let me teach you how to teach your kids the value of preparing food together and bonding over something that does not have to be charged overnight.